everyone, welcome back to my channel. Last time we shared a tutorial on how to recover deleted photos on Android, and so many of you found it super helpful. If you haven't watched it yet, I've put the link in the description below, or you can find it right here on my channel. Today, we've got another must-know phone hack: how to translate any text instantly using Google Lens. Menus, street signs, books, you name it, you can translate it in seconds, right on your phone. Google Lens is a free tool from Google that uses your camera to scan and understand what it sees. One of its coolest features? Instant translation. No typing, no copy-pasting, just point your camera and boom, the words change right in front of you. First, download or open Google Lens. Google Lens is built into the Google Search app on most Android phones. Just open it and tap the Lens icon. Next, point your camera. Point your camera at the text you want to translate. Menu, sign, document, anything. Then tap Translate. At the bottom, tap Translate. Instantly, the words appear in your language. Magic, right? You can even switch languages using the menu at the top. Here's a pro tip. If you're traveling without internet, download the language pack on Google Translate first. That way, Google Lens can work offline too. And that's it. With Google Lens, you can translate any text instantly. Super handy for travel, studies, or just exploring new languages. If this helped you out, hit like, write a comment, subscribe, and check out our previous video on how to recover deleted photos if you missed it. Remember, it's not too late to learn new things. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video.